what in the YouTube? What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's a good day because we're gonna get a little noise out of the 5 Series. Huge shout out to Extreme Powerhouse for sponsoring today's video and sending out this product. Let's get this thing unboxed. This and this. If you didn't already see the box, this is from Mastery of Art and Design. We have an intake for the 5 Series. I'm excited to get this on and get some more. Now everything's out of the packages, you guys can see it. I just wanted to quickly mention as well that Extreme Powerhouse has intakes and auto parts for all different types of cars, makes, models. Now that we have everything out of the packages, you guys can see we have the air filter. We have this coupler that's gonna connect for our turbo inlet to this piping, which also has a spot for our mass airflow sensor, as well as a surround. So it's honestly a pretty simple setup. All right, now that you guys see the intake, let's not yap anymore. Let's head to a shop and get it installed. See you guys there. All right, we made it to the shop. Want to give you guys a few quick sound clips of its stock so you guys can get a little bit of a comparison. Go ahead, Ryan. Not gonna lie, it honestly sounds pretty good stock, but it's about to sound way different. So let's jump to the install real quick. So I'm sitting here with Ryan. He's with Boosted Creations. He's gonna help walk us through what in the is this thing, because I was online, Ryan, and I saw an intake muffler, but the is an intake muffler?
So the intake muffler is pretty much just to muffle the sounds that go into the interior. Higher end cars, BMWs, Audis, they want it to be peaceful, quiet, a nice trip in the car. So
okay, so theoretically, if we remove the intake muffler right now and just kept the stock intake, theoretically you would probably hear more turbo induction noise.
Most likely, yes. The only thing is you'd just be sucking in a load of air through here.
Okay, which obviously is engine bay air, which is hot,
right?
Which is not what we want.
Correct.
There is a duct. Obviously, these are the shutter system grills, so the air travels through here. There's a duct that runs from here to here.
Yeah, the box will close everything in, so it will mainly get all of its cooler air from behind the headlight and underneath, and then you will eliminate this.
All right, let's do it. All right, so we just buttoned up the install on the intake. Honestly, it was super easy. It took us maybe, I don't know, 15, 25 minutes. Let's get a few sound clips, hear us sound. Nice, that sounds super good. This V58, Rob, I'm gonna have you start this up. This tone right here is what I'm going for. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, I think it's time to go take the 5 Series for a drive, hear the new intake. Huge shout out to the good people at Boosted Creations, 2081 Division Street, Rochester, New York, Palmyra. They will take care of you. Make sure you tell them that Andre sent you. Enough yapping, let's go for a drive. All right, we're in the car. We're ready to hear the intake for the first time. Let's head out here. Wow, definitely feels faster. 100% feels faster. We gotta do a little burnout right here. We might as well. There ain't nobody here. Dang! Okay, we're putting traction back on. Which way am I going? Right. She sounds good. Dude, look at this crazy ass. Holy shit. Oh my goodness gracious. definitely feel a difference from the intake, for sure, for sure. Reduced driver assistance, I know. Ooh, that intake is loud. The intake is way louder than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Now let's chill out for a second here. That sounds good. That sounds good for sure. Let's do a little rolling anti-lag. Third gear. This thing whips. That sounds good. Ooh. Fifth gear, a lot of boost noise. This thing is a monster. This thing is a monster. It's just like sucking air like crazy. Love it. Nice, super happy. Huge shout out again to Extreme Powerhouse for sending out the intake. Go ahead, check out their website, see what they have for you guys. I'm sure they have something for your car. Let them know that Kinematics sent you. Man, I'm super happy with this. There we go. That boy's about to pull out. What the f? This guy's over here doing burnouts. This guy's looking, he knows what's up. He's laughing. He likes it. My lord, this thing moves. All right, let's get some action. So, if you guys are thinking about getting an intake for your B58, hit up Extreme Powerhouse. If you guys made it to this point of the video, I appreciate you guys watching to the end. I got some really cool videos coming very, very soon for the channel, so make sure you guys are subbed if you are not already. Turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.